here is an update of the new faces I just made. Fortunately, I had to spend a couple of nights at the children's hospital. But anyways, my kid is sick. Okay, here is the Angry Gordon. You already seen one face. I did not like the result because there was no body on the face. It was kind of very flat and thin. So I upgrade the face, the cast. So I'm gonna give maybe half of the body right here, the face. I mean the thickness, because it was so thin, and it will look pretty much like this. So it will have a little bit body on the face. Here's Angry Gordon. There you can appreciate with the shadows the factions and how it looks. Okay, you already seen this. Now the next character, it's Angry Thomas. I already told you that I made it before. My kids say that he is mad. So here's the mold, the base, and here is the finished product. So what do you guys think? So my kids say he is mad. Yeah, he is mad. It's kind of between mad and angry. There's Thomas. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Now here's the final face. Here's the final face of this character. I told you before too that it was done a few days ago. I know some of you like the creepy characters. Probably you can appreciate that. So let's the build. Let me show you the face. Here it is. Look at that. Ooh. I know some of you want this so bad. Not everybody have the same taste. But look at that face. Yeah, it's ready to go. So this is the mold. Look at that Thomas. Sodor follow Thomas. Let me know in the comments. Now there is another character from the same series like this. I already done it, but this will be for the next episode.